There you go. New ignition has been wired in. If I turn the key, we got power. Headlights on. There you go. There you go. Turn it off there. Sweet. Alright. Turn that off. So now we just need to figure out what's going on with the rectifier, or oh well, I think it's on that side. Oh no, I think it's on this side. It's on this side. This is where the stator is. I need to trace some wires here, figure out what's going on, because something keeps getting hot, and I can't connect these wires for the battery to charge until I figure out what's going on here. So either this went bad, I think, or this went bad. One or the other. Maybe these wires got oil on them. I don't really know. I'm gonna have to get inside here and see what's going on. So I'm gonna have to order this, and we'll have to go from there. But new ignition, I'm gonna finish wiring it up tomorrow. I just wanted to make sure it worked. And as you can see, if I click it, on she goes. Off, on, off, on. So new ignition is working correctly. None of that direct wire stuff. I can disconnect all this bullshit now. I don't need any of this connected. So, however, this is a safety line. I might just leave this here just in case I need it for the future. We'll see. We shall see. Do you know? We shall see. So, anyways, there's that. Bike has power. That's pretty much it right now. So I'm gonna have to get back to this here a little bit later. To keep going with this and stuff, I'm gonna have to hook the fuel tank back up, because this is running on the fuel I had in it, but I wanted to make sure everything was working. So there you go. Oh yeah, new handles are on there too. Boom. Look at that, boys. We got a bad voltage regulator on the CBR. You guys can see these numbers. Oh man, do I need to move back just a little bit further? Alright. This one's for you, Ed, if you're still in here. Sorry for the glare. Not much I can do about it. I can try to angle that a little bit. This is a 3-phase motorcycle regulator. And I'm getting negative and positive across the board. One should only happen with the other, as you can see. Boom. So if I turn this correctly, this should be negative side over here, so I should go positive to negative and then go across the 3 phases, and we shouldn't see any numbers. However, look, bad 3-phase regulator. Now we know why the wires are getting hot and burning up. So I think actually the stator on the bike is fine, the regulator is shot. It's allowing power in and out, and I think it's allowing AC current out and not converting it through DC. So what's happening is it's burning up the wire. So it is partial charging because this somewhat works, but it's also allowing AC current through, which is really messing with the system. So I don't know how old this is. Looks like it was replaced within the past 4 years maybe, but it's definitely getting replaced now. Yeah, I had to put a whole new ignition system on the bike all the way across. I did order a new stator magneto. If it requires it, I'll put it on. If not, we'll just slap on the new regulator, and hopefully that solves the problem. Now, Ed, I knew you would enjoy this video because I'm talking your language right now. So, yeah, man. This, no good. No good. Ugh.
you sure this is okay?
You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay?
All right.